Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to fix TikTok profile views option not showing. For example, if you click on profile and click on here, as you can see, and it is not showing any kind of profile views, then how you can fix that? First of all, the first thing you have to do, you have to simply click on the profile. After that, you have to click on settings and privacy, and here you have to click on privacy here, and here you will find all the options related to your privacy. And if you scroll down, then you can easily find the option of profile view history, and you have to make sure that it is turned on. And if it is turned on, your profile view option will be not shown here, which means it will be seen here but no one, you will be not be able to see your profile view option on TikTok. So the next method is as that you have to simply click on three lines, and after that you have to click on settings, and after that you have to scroll down, and here you have to search for report a problem here, and you have to wait for some seconds so that it can be loaded. And after some second there will be interface shown, and you have to search for that problem, which is as profile view option. Such as we are going to search for profile view option, and if you search for profile view, and here you can see how to turn off profile view history on or off, and they will tell you a method. And if it is, well, it works for you, then you have to click on yes. Then after if doesn't work, then you have to click on no, and after that you have to scroll down, and you can easily find the option of need more help, and here you can describe the problem to TikTok team so that they can solve the problem for you. And you can also attach the screenshot and video proof for that. Hope you have liked this video. Can you subscribe our channel?